Back and anything, okay? Be careful. Okay, I go here, I start pass and move. Just go there. I still put my... So now I go the same thing, and now normally the guy knows because I go already with my shoulder in his belly. So he can put like the frame or start controlling me here, okay? Be that way. So now I see like he stopped me. I can try like still force pass that way. I don't say like it's impossible, but I still can do this. But our mentality is when you feel like stop, you see if you have another thing to do it, another direction. And it's become more easy to pass that way. But again, the more important is control the hips, okay? So I go here, I go there. So now I need control better the hips. Before I need control for his not escape that direction, yeah? Now I need control his leg for his not have that flexibility to recove the leg or do something, yeah? So I need to take that mobility. So this is why now I need to start change more high. See, before I'm low, and now I want to put my shoulder in his knee, okay? Before I'm here. Now I need to put pressure in his leg. Because my goal is hips again, you see? My weight here, I control that one. The same thing, be careful with the triangle, yeah? Awareness for this. Okay, I can use my foot, and now the same thing, I stretch him, and see my hips touch his hips. I don't put my knee in the ground. And now I can do like the grip. Deep, and just start that. And the same thing, see, my hips is still there. Keep your hips, the pressure there. And after in the end, you can pass the way you like, you can go to the leg drag. Okay, now look for your partner if he no injury the neck and anything, okay? Be careful. Okay, I go here, I start pass and move. Just go there. I still put my weight there. You see, I just transition my weight to here, to this. Here, to this. But I need to feel his hips control. If I just do this and this, you can know the difference. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. So go here and now I go control the hips. Okay? I see the same thing. If I put my knee on the ground and anything, I start to lose my pressure. Go here. So more your hand can be here is better. But of course, if you stop your hand, you cannot do this. Remember, the importance is the hips. Okay? If I'm not able to grab there, I still control the hips. Okay? To still attack facing to that side. But try to take more deep possible. Okay? So let's take a partner. Let's do it. 今の考えで今は体重全部こっちでしょ。次は体重はここ行く。そうでここ行くね。一番いいはなんか肩は相手の膝ここ入れるだったら大体一番いいね。コントロールはできる。でプレッシャー前で腰も前。そうここは腰。そう。そうイメージはなんかここに来たら腰かな。You want to keep the weight here all the time. So you go for the first position, he stop your shoulder, stop my shoulder with the hand. Yeah, go stop. So, but you still your weight is there. You see? Now what you do is change your weight for that shoulder. You see, before it's that shoulder. Yeah. And now I go with that shoulder. But I don't lose the pressure. Okay, go here, stop. And I go here. See? Control that leg. And push. Hips. See my hips, control his hips. I start forcing him to face that side. Yeah. And then I can bring him back or force him to go there and take his back.
Like a slow.
The first one. Yeah,
this
start
right
doing.
Here.
Yeah, go here first. Yeah. I just change my position. If I stop too much my shoulder or my hips, if I cannot do more than this, yeah, see I lose. And now I can go higher. You see, I from here, and now I connect my shoulder under your knee.
I see.
And I go here.
I see. So it's as if you're starting the first one that we did, but then I stop you, and then you transition.
Yeah. Because I do first.
So
with that
like
one.
We're doing the first one.
Here. And now I switch to here. Yeah.
Hi.
So it's different if I just try lift your leg or do this. It's not this. Yeah, you need feel the connection, the shoulder to the hips.
Right.
And I touch my hips here.
Yeah.
Oh. そう、畳みつけない。そう。